Hey guys, so 2 weeks later, what did happen? How the fake twins run smoothly or not, automatically or not? Well, let's check few stuff and let's start by something which didn't work properly. This is Garnelen, the shrimp, all dead. You could have something like 50 shrimps. Because of the temperature, the tank rise up to 30 degrees. You have some kili over there. They are fine, they resisted. But the shrimp, all dead. 30 degrees, not compatible with shrimp. So, first observation, the discus tank is clean. The Tropheus tank is not clean. And you can see traces of water a bit everywhere, and in fact in the middle of our holidays we had an issue. I detected the camera here were offline and I had no monitoring info from both aquariums, so I asked our very nice neighbors if they could come and check what's going on, and they found the electricity shut down because of some leaking water, and our electricity installation on the bottom who were taking the water. And my failure, stupid one as usual you would say, have been to put some rubber band on the top of the aquarium here on the egg, and in fact the rubber band increase evaporation of the water and by capillarity attracted, or I don't know how, all the water, and slowly but surely you had liter of water. After 1 week on the ground you had here a little flake of water, enough to stop all the electricity. And the problem is these two filters are not easy going restarted automatically, so you need to let them running properly, efficiently. You need to play with this regulator at the beginning. So this guy were running full and the setup wasn't good, so some issue with a bit more water coming. So by the way, out of this you can see that on this not optimal mode, what is running and how it is running. Here the Tropheus are running on the secondary and emergency full. The first one is not activated. Here the primary is activated properly, but in fact the water level is not correct, slightly not correct, because in fact here the parameter has been changed. At the beginning when I left it was something like that. After that, something satisfying I would say in the discus, out of the fact that you can see the tank is very clean, it's already cool. We still have 4 discuses and we have all the Tropheus, so we have no loss of the important fishes, so it's very nice. And here you have the sump with the exact water level expected. The reservoir did its job, sensor worked fine, and you even have the little babies who grew up quite quickly. And here this is a nice surprise that I show you first. We have the L333 with a bunch of eggs in front of him. You see the male? It's the first time that we have a reproduction of them. Oh yes, by the way, temperature rise kill the shrimp. Here it's 29-30 degrees, it's fine for discus, but here Tropheus they are also at 28 degrees. It's really hot for Tanganyika lake fishes. And here it didn't go well in the sump, you see it's quite empty. And the water level in the reservoir. The problem, the issue is the leaking stuff that you can see over there is leaking on the sensor, and the sensor was not able to properly detect the water level in the sump, and I had to shut it down remotely. I can change the programmation of the monitoring of the tank. So at one moment I manually activated the reservoir to put a bit more water, because I detected that some air were pushed by the pump, and if the air is going outside of the sump, this is because you have the water level a bit too low. And another not so satisfying parameter here, it's 5.1, very low. I will have to change it quickly. If you monitor it here, you see discus very low, Tropheus perfect, 8.5, maybe because temperature raised up. You see the discus, they are a bit shocked because we light on the aquarium, but it is also, I think, because pH is not very good for them. So I will change this parameter. So I would say satisfying, yes, but in the same time stupid mistake, made some water, shut down the system, and I learned that when you go for a long period out of here, you really have to let the filter running at the minimum level and not at the nominal level like I let them when I left, because in case of any issue, nominal level won't be, it will be too much water flow to go through, for example, secondary input. So this is it. We managed to keep all the fishes, but no shrimp. Water quality not tested yet. Aquarium very clean for the discus. I guess it is a bit clean also for the Tropheus, except that glass are not clean for the reason I explained. And improvement possibility for next time. That's all for the day, guys. Ciao.